A very warm welcome to the Digital Native Summit. So, I just wanted to ask you about your experience today in attending the conference and what are your key takeaways from all the panel discussions which has been going on throughout the day today?
I think it's a great platform for companies that are digital first because we've been in this digital revolution for many years now. But there's still a lot of aspects in business operations and other aspects of our day-to-day activities that we run in business, and large enterprises, small enterprises are actually still stuck with because they are not automating processes. Right. So I think it's a great platform to expose the companies that are solving these problems, whether they're niche problems, they're big problems. That's what I think for me is the biggest takeaway, and how AI is playing into automation and digital transformation. So with the AI revolution coming together with the digital revolution, it's a lot more powerful. The kinds of software, the kinds of features that we're seeing being offered by companies like Brandintel, which is the company that I represent today, it makes it a lot more powerful.
Right, absolutely. So, also I wanted to ask you about your company. Like, if you could talk a little bit about your company and let our audience know that how it is impacting on the industry perspective to the local people. So, if you could talk to us about that a little bit.
Yeah, sure. So I represent Brandintel. We're a marketing budget command center, the first of its kind in the world, actually. What our mission and our vision is to automate marketing operations end to end. So Salesforce automates sales. You have SAP automating finance, right? But up until today, there is no platform that is automating end to end processes for marketing operations. The back end, where you're marketing commercials, you're marketing financials. So the front end is automated. Your customer engagement, your email marketing, social media, all that is automated. But companies are still operating on largely manual processes for the back end. So what Brandintel is doing is automating this end to end. We work with some of our largest clients are Tata Motors, TVS Motor. We work with Reckitt Benckiser, and it's some of India's largest companies. And we save them a lot of time. We save them a lot of resources by automating these processes. Beyond that, our automation engine feeds in live data into an analytics powerhouse. So right from the time when they are, say allocating a budget, within 30 minutes, they can actually see, okay, that budget has been allocated to this brand, this media, what is the amount, how much of that amount has been utilized, where it has been spent, the granular spend breakup. So companies now have access to data at their fingertips, so they can make better decisions, right? And as a company as a whole, they can allocate their budgets more effectively for higher ROI. So that's what we're doing. And by automating these marketing processes, we're helping companies move towards total digital transformation, because this is one huge aspect that has not been digitized so far. And the beautiful thing about Brandintel is that all our workflows are built for marketing. So we have workflows for TV, for radio, for PR, for all the different media channels. That has never been done before.
All right. Thank you so much, for joining us at the summit today. And I am hoping that you have a lovely day ahead. And we'll definitely, thank you so much.
All right. Thank you. I think it's been a great event. We've met some of the leaders at India's largest companies, and we've been able to showcase how we can help them. So looking forward to see what comes out of this for us.
Thank you so much. Thank you.